A year ago yesterday, I posted my first video on this channel, which was like a tutorial. It was a really bad one, but it was like basically doing my hair and makeup. And I have my first gig today, so I'm gonna redo that video basically. I hope that it's coming out the day that I'm saying it is. Today it's the 18th, not the 18th, the 28th of December, but I might not upload it till tomorrow. My dad came in. I don't remember what I was saying. Where do I even go from here? I do not remember what I was saying. Still, no matter how long I've been doing this, I still cannot talk while like, it just seems wrong, you know? It seems like I'm gonna poke myself in the eye. But I'll do more of a tutorial this time. So I'm, like, really packing this powder. I know a lot of people don't like to use these little things, but, like, really pack it on there. Because, versus when I did this the first time, last year I used lipstick to keep this on. That, it does keep it on. Yeah, it keeps it on too well. It, like, will not come off. Like, if you going to a club, going to the club, yeah, maybe. But, like, going to a rave, gonna be out all night, yeah, sure. For any other intents and purposes, it's too much. It does not come off. Like, water, nothing. It just does not get it off. Maybe because that's cheap lipstick. I also heard that that's what primer does, but why would I buy primer? That's like, I don't know. Seems like a waste of my money. A lot of people would like fade this out afterwards. I'm not a lot of people. I'm not going to. I might actually. I take that back. Because it's a little harsh. My mom hates when I do my eyeshadow like this because she's like, oh, it looks too, you look dead. So I will. Just around here. My cat's scratching my bed. This is Maybelline New York, just black. I bought this for like no more than $5, but it was a few years ago, so it might be more now. At Rite Aid. So I consider this like pretty affordable, and this is any eyeliner will work. This one's e.l.f. and it has like the built-in sharpener in it. My dad bought it for me. I have a lot of eyeliner. I don't have to buy eyeliner until I'm like 80, dude. And then same black for my eyebrows with just a paintbrush, angled paintbrush. And since I don't, I mean, like, gross, yeah, I know I should wash my face. I don't, so I don't really have to do my eyebrows that often, but I'll touch them up. But this is it. I think you can always go back over it with black if you so choose, but I don't so choose. Here's the cat, by the way. The eyeliner is gonna look like 100 times more dark on camera than in person. It's just the way it is. And I'm not gonna do all of my hair on camera because I've done it so many times, and also, it looks weird and it's embarrassing. Okay, my hair's super greasy, so once you have it pulled like forward, then you're just gonna part it, which is a little easier said than done because you have to find where you usually part your hair. Somewhere around here, I don't know. And then, you know, just play with it and whatnot. Some people have their hair parted a lot, like more pronounced, like apart. I don't like that. But you know, you do you. And it looks weird right now because my hair is dirty and my roots are growing out. But I don't want to wash my hair because I want to bleach my hair to dye it red. Not all of it, just a few spots. I just got paid, so let's get laid. No, let's dye my hair. I'll ask my mom, and then I'll be at the mall, hopefully on New Year's Eve, and then I could do it whenever, just probably before break ends. It's my last winter break, and that's like so crazy to me. That is, ew, it's like repulsing. If you're anything less than a junior, I mean, not a junior, a senior in high school, cherish that. Like, I know people are always wanting to grow up faster, but it's like, I'm not afraid of it. I'm not afraid of getting older. I actually kind of like it. But it's definitely strange, to say the least. And I put a few bobby pins in my hair just so it will lay down. But I'm going to put hairspray in it so it'll go down. Oh, it looks so weird. I need to cut my hair. I know I just did. But I only cut the length and not any layers. Because my hair is kind of thin. so I don't layer it as much, and I always wear hats. And this is Ion Freezing Hairspray. I get freezing instead of styling because I want it to stay, like, locked. Styling hairspray, the lady in Sally's explained this all to me, makes it where, I don't know, like, you can still style it afterward. Locking, it just, like, makes it, like, glue. And I like that. A lot of people, hold on. Oh my god. Yeah, a lot of people use Got To Be Glue hairspray. That's a little extreme to me. It's a better angle for my hair. I don't know how down there looks. I'll see when I edit this video. But yeah, this is better. And I'm still undecided on what hat to wear, so I'll show you guys my options. I have this one, which I wear all the time, the Pikachu one. Okay, yeah, I'm already dressed, so not like that big of a get ready with me. I didn't want to get dressed on camera, that's a little weird. So, I just need to decide what shoes I'm gonna wear, and then accessories, because it's kind of I don't know, I like to accessorize. So I can wear, let's do the contenders, these Vans, which I just found the laces for. Actually, I might wear those Vans. I never wear those. Yeah, we're wearing the Vans. And then, let me put those on and then I'll decide everything else. I decided on a hat. It's this Batman one that I never wear for some reason. I really like this hat. But, I don't really know what I'm going to do for accessories because I have to wear my pick necklace wherever it is. Here it is. And then I've lost this forever, so I have to wear this. And I don't know, should we do like silver for the accent, or we do white? Because I have white on this shirt. This hat does not match the rest of the outfit. God. Finished getting dressed out, you guys. Sorry, I was getting impatient. And then, you know, this is the top part. I'm not tall enough to hold on. Oh, I'm dumb. I could just take a step back. What the hell? Okay, so this is outfit with the hat. And then where I got everything, because I'm not a gatekeeper, it's from Depop. The tattoo choker was from Claire's. The gloves are from Hot Topic, I believe. Yeah. This is a pearl bead necklace that my friend Caden made. And this is just a guitar pick. And I got this at the farmer's market. And then the shirt is also from Depop, as well as the jacket. And then I thrifted the pants. I got the belt from Depop. I got these from Five Below. Thrifted the jeans. And then the shoes are from Vans themselves or something, I think. Looks cool as hell from this angle. I mean, like, not really that part. I just can't reach, but I need to redo that part of my room. But look at this. What the hell? Look at me. But now I'm ready to go. Thank you guys for all your support over this last year. It means a lot to me. I like doing this. But also, if there's anything that you would like to see me do, I just realized I have not been looking at the camera this whole video, oh my god. If there's anything you would like to see me do, then drop that in the comments. I'm open to suggestions because I'm a little, boring, is that the word? Not uncreative. But yeah, you guys have a nice New Year's. Is Hanukkah still going on? Hanukkah, if that's still going on. Peace out.